DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. I see what I do today with the world boss, the teacher himself. You see me and say, you don't know who I talk to. No stranger to the channel. You see me and say, the king of dancer right now. You see me and say, we're there with none other than Vybz Kartel, the one named AR15. We're gonna check it out, see what dog I deal with. We already check out AR15 we off of the EP drop party with me. We check out AR15 audio. Now dog drop the official video. We gotta check it out and see what I deal with. You see me and say, see if the video actually live up to the audio. You see me and say, gang, yeah man, but you don't know if World Boss the teacher how was doing thing, bro. He's literally the canon in a dancehall. You see me and say, he's the one that everybody gets compared to. So we now will have the vibe much longer. Check it out. See what the World Boss I deal with. This is Vybz Kartel, AR15 gang. Let's get it.
Give me a killer and I lick me lippin', but me top with a Guinness, everything diminished. Girl, I said them suffer than nigga.
Hold on there, nigga. You got Skelly in this shit? Hold on there. Is there something going on? Let's show this is AR15.
50 cal Mississippi and them know me wicked. But that's why like shit.
Hold on there. Did YouTube load the wrong song? Ah, gone. Bumblecleat Skelly. We just react to Skelly the other day, dog. I said Skelly bad. And see Vybz Kartel a co-sign it, dog. Oh my. Oh, Skelly, dig up yourself, you. I mean, wicked highlight I get you. Big up the teacher. Teacher always I say new talent guy road. Big up Skelly. I say Vybz Kartel he co-sign Skelly bang no must co-sign Skelly Dan.
No say a word. I'm out.
Sammy little and I grow up when me know. Son a boy violate one time, dollar kind. Sammy little and I grow up when me know. Son a boy violate one time, dollar kind.
Come on, no man. Yo, we are there now. We know this fire, you know. Go on, come in. Yeah, man, I could see vibes in there. Yeah, man, come in there.
AR15, silence that about the target scream. Go pick up man and them me call Christine. AFX pull up na the rotted skin. Yo, what touch me a flinging at the car.
Windscreen. Easy. Oh, don't feel like that. That's not it. Bro, come in. Come in, man. I wanna feel. Right, teacher, this is not gang. Come in, man. And the blood clean teacher, this is not, man. You see me and say, we're on the back.
AR15, silence that about the target scream. Go pick up man and them me call Christine. AFX pull up na the rotted skin. Yo, what touch me a flinging at the car windscreen.
Yo, what touch me a flinging at the car windscreen. Come in.
Up in a vest, I saw the tall clip to him. Eagle up pick me for your did sin. Pussy you never bad in your darkest dream. But funny man that did a mix all extreme. And I'm cupcakes and one whipped cream. A road we a do a make
Rattling sin. Come in, we will listen to this idea about. Come in.
brawling sin. Skin like Cardell pan the charges steam. AK with the angle we vanish clean. 2 clip tape over can him split.
If up your blood cleansing fence, I want to man, you go rise up your rifle, bro.
We a do a make brawling sin. Skin like Cardell pan the charges steam. AK with the angle we vanish clean. 2 clip tape over can him spleen. Clap it till he nas'll get warm with steam. Tell the clap it till he nas'll start melt.
Easy now, man. Clap it till it not to get warm with steam. You clap it till it not to get that means I'm gonna beat you after, you know, dog. Come in.
Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast. No bumbo clad beast. Wickedness increase like down a Ukraine, like down a Middle East. Wicked.
And load up it in the blood cleat, in the blood clot. This a raw access, it's a old tire.
Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call the police. Wickedness increase.
Switch vehicle. Oh, the dog am do. Hold on now.
When he gun them rise like sun out ice. Be a chip block, Rick Eiley, make the key kick back. Shut on like TV, be a big back.
Shut on like TV, be a big back. He's the one.
What
the extension pan the man on.
Afraid to play it back. Me see a little clip a show up on TikTok. Never know say you're so sweet. The kid did a clap. The man.
Bumbleclad dog. That's supposed to tear your brother. This a ranger. Can't identify your brother. Come in, one.
Funny bike, we drop, get up, drop. Not one shot, catch him get heart attack. Nobody now run and watch shot a beat hard. Everybody take out them phone.
I record. Like, everybody have a shot a beat hard, you. And everybody have blood clean to go to the
I record. Me mask pa me face dark like you are lad. Black staff and no mask, everybody see the dog.
Dog in a chunk to blood clad, they're gonna dispose of that. Come in, huh?
Jump on the RR, if it and brass. Sinner and mark, no make no car pass. Pull up on the gas and no kill and all laugh. Take away we self quick and fast, no blood clot.
Easy, no?
Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast.
Yo, easy, no, man?
Wickedness increase like don't
Yeah, man, Vybz Kartel co-side Skeleton, man. In Ghana Road, man. Skeleton, you Ghana Road, yo.
Green light don't a mingle is. Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call the police. Wickedness increase when you gun them rise like sun out of east. Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast.
No peace, come in, huh?
Wickedness increase like don't a Ukraine, like don't a mingle is. Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call the police. Wickedness increase when you gun them rise like sun out of east. Wickedness increase.
Easy now, man. Easy now, man. Boom.
Wickedness increase. Wickedness increase.
Room.
Wickedness increase.
Not chase, you know. Okay, boy, I make it. They're more serious to them acting and video skills need for your public, but yo, big up your boss, I'm Tia, man. Yeah, man, AR15. You see me that course and skeleton now. Yeah, man, tune bad. The people know one thing about the video. Yeah, man, tune bad. Vybz Kartel this thing on that track. No cap, gang. You know one thing about the one day, gang. You see me, if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. You know, so Jambisco and send them. You see me, and say, gang, you already know. Drop your requests. You already know you get your shout out once you drop your request. Yeah, man, drop your comments, just talk about it. You already know. I like the engagement, gang. I appreciate y'all. Y'all been engaging, watching, commenting. I appreciate it. Love y'all. If you watch it this far, make sure you like and subscribe, because clearly you enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. Y'all very active, man. We're growing strong over here. Bangers coming, hella videos coming, so just stay tuned. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, look like Vybz Kartel's co-sign Skeleton. You know what I'm saying? I've been telling us Skeleton, but you know. React to the dog out there and say, yo, the dog here go hard. See how Vybz Kartel come co-sign the dog. You see what I'm saying? So gang, let me know one thing about that. Let me know one thing about Skeleton as well, dog. Drop your comments. Let's chop it up in the comment section. You already know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.